In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to change your customer portal name in Zoho Books. Whether you are rebranding your business or just want a more professional look for your client interactions, updating your portal name is a quick and simple process that enhances your brand identity. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to navigate to make these changes in just a few clicks. If this guide helps you streamline your business operations, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button, and consider subscribing to the channel for more productivity tips and Zoho tutorials. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Zoho Books account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner for the gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that to open your configuration menu. This will bring up a comprehensive settings page with several columns. You want to focus on the third column from the left, which is labeled Setup and Configurations. Inside this column, locate and click on the option that says Customer Portal. If your portal is not yet active, you will see an Enable Portal button. Click that first if it is not already activated. Once you are in the Portal Settings section, you will see a text box specifically labeled Portal Name. This is where the magic happens. Simply click inside that text box, delete the existing name, and type in the new, updated name you want your clients to see. Make sure to double-check the spelling to avoid any confusion. Once you have typed in your desired name, look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the page, and ensure you click it to apply your changes. And just like that, your customer portal name has been successfully updated across your Zoho Books account. It really is that easy to keep your business branding consistent. If you found this video helpful and managed to update your portal settings with ease, please take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a future update or productivity trick. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.